What's going on, guys? MX Dude here. So today we're rebuilding a Kickstarter on a Banshee. See, really sloppy. Anyway, first thing first, I already crack her loose because those fucking bolts are usually really tight. That's how I usually get them out. Usually do that with one hand, with two hands, but anyway. See, it's already loose. Alright. So 12 millimeter on a Banshee, but most of the bike are the same. Gonna be a shitty video though. Alright, bolt is off. 12 millimeter on a Banshee. Alright, see how sloppy it is? Alright, so what you need to do before you order these kits on eBay. They're like $3 or $2.50 Canadian. Banshee. See, you're getting a new sail, a boat, a ball bearing, and a spring. Actually, I got a couple to do, but I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So take it off the bike and rebuild it. Anyway, where did I put my screwdriver? Pretty simple to do, actually. You need a big Phillips screwdriver. I don't know if you can see. The spring is there. Actually, it was missing the ball bearing. Maybe that's why it was sloppy. So anyway, let me get those things out of the package, and I'll be back. So here's the kit out of the package. So you get a new seal, new bolt, the spring, and the ball bearing. So that's what was left in my Kickstarter. So I took another one apart to show you what's inside. So see, we got a U spring, we got a ball bearing. Those things goes in there. You put the spring first, then you put the ball bearing. Anyway, I'm gonna clean all of them parts up a little bit, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So it's all cleaned up, and I squirted a bunch of grease in there. So I clean it up with my good old grinder. Makita, brake cleaner. Alright, so I went ahead and I put the O-ring on. It's kind of hard to put with one hand, so next step is pretty easy. You put your spring in the hole first. Okay, and then you put your ball bearing. It's a bit harder to do with one hand, like I'm saying, so boom. Okay, then you took the bottom part and you try to slide her in. See, pretty easy. Let me get back to you because I need two ends to do that. Here, fully rebuild. I clean it up pretty good, grease her up. You can't even move it by hand now. So all I need to do is put that little bolt. That little bolt in there. Screwdriver somewhere here. Found it. Fuck's sake. Give me a second. I'm gonna torque her to spec. Torque to spec. Uh-oh. I did a mess. Fucking I hate working with grease. So. See? It's solid. Good shit. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Have a good one. Peace out.